What's up, Overlanders? Today I was going to do a little video on the removal of the side steps. It's super easy, it's super basic, and most of you guys can go down there and look on your truck and just realize how easy it is to take this off. Doesn't really give the look of having a lifted truck. Now, from a little while back, I added the rough country, I believe 2-inch in the front, the strut spacer, and then in the back it was like 1.7 for the back. And the only reason why I did that was because it was super cheap and it was a quick way for me to put on a 20-inch rim with a 35-inch tire. That's the only reason why I went with that. And that is not how I'm currently going to stay with the suspension, but I wanted to get it on there just so I can put these tires on, because I was super stoked about getting rid of the old tires that you saw from the reveal video that I did a little while ago. Getting underneath. Getting underneath, you have two here, 2 bolts here, and 2 bolts down there. There it is. This bad boy should come down. All right, she's ready to go. Pardon my mess here, but there's your after, and this is before. All right, I don't know. Let me know in the comments below whether or not you like it with the look of having it on, until we get the rock sliders. Alright guys, so now you understand the process of taking the Nerf bars, or whatever you want to call them, side steps, off of your truck. Most of the time, they're going to be exactly the same on every make and model. It's just held on by a couple of those bolts, so it's super simple. Just get the right size wrench and start having at it. You guys seen it, how easy it is. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell, because it really helps us out. You guys have a wonderful Christmas, and I will see you guys in 2019.